Welcome to Pasta Fazool, the next episode. Today we're making a classic, I should say. One of my family's, my wife, my daughters, my son, they love this sauce. It's a classic, Italian classic sauce called chicken marsala, or it could be veal marsala. But today we're making chicken marsala because that's what they want. So we're doing it. Here it goes. I have some salt, pepper, some mushrooms, parsley, some chicken cutlets, which I cut up and I pounded it up, made it a little nice and thin and tender, and a couple of eggs. I'm gonna make two types of marsalas today. I'm gonna make, one's called the scallopini marsala, and the other one is called the Marsala Milanese, which is it's any time you have any kind of meats, could be chicken, could be beef, anything, and you gotta bread it. We call that Milanese. That's the Italian name for that. So here goes. We're gonna start with the Milanese first. I'll get some olive oil. Get this thing started over here. A little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna make some leg wash here. And then we'll go for the scallopini marsala. Make sure it gets hot. Got some regular flour with some breadcrumb. Any kind of breadcrumb that you like. Could be the Italian with seasoning, without seasoning. Could be regular Italian breadcrumb. That could be panko. Right now I'm using the panko. What I did is I grinded it up a little bit thinner because the panko is usually a little thicker, a little bit big pieces. I'm not too crazy about it, but it's got a nice color. I like it. I like the panko. So I just put it inside the blender and make it a little thinner. Really makes the chicken come out really nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add some chicken cutlets, put inside the oil, inside the flour. Okay, I'm not gonna put any. I mean, you could if you want. You could put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper inside the flour if you like, just to give it a little bit of taste. But depends. Still like doing that. Okay, we'll go right into the egg wash here. Okay. Scrambled egg is what you want to call it. Right into the panko. Turn this down a little bit. It's really too hot. Just gonna make two pieces now. Show you how it is. This is the chicken Milanese meats you have. You can make a Milanese. You can make it just by itself, like the Marsala is or the French is. It all comes down to the taste. Whatever you want. See what I mean about the panko? When you panko's got a nice color. I like the way the color comes out with the panko. Italian bread is also fantastic, but the Italian bread, what happens is it's grinded down with the actual crust of the bread. It's a little darker. The panko it's a little lighter. It's more it's all the inside of the bread. That's why it's nice and light. But hey, you can use the one that you like. So use you can make your own bread if you like. Get some bread, get it hard enough, and grind it up, and make your own bread from it. Put this on the side. Put that up. And that one up. Forgot to tell you guys. You need a couple of pieces of butter as well. Butter and a piece of one garlic. Well, I'm going to put the butter in here. Turn this one on. This one turn on a little bit. Warm up a little bit. Go down to one. And the garlic, I'm just going to put a piece of garlic in there. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to put it in there. But I'm not going to chop it up or anything. I'm just going to cut half and throw it in there just to give it a little bit of taste, because I want to be able to remove it. You don't want to put too much taste of garlic inside the marsala. Some people love putting the marsala taste with garlic. I like it, yeah, but not too crazy about it. Once the butter is melted, that's when you throw all the mushroom inside the pan. Cook up the mushroom with the garlic and the butter and a little bit of olive oil in there. Let's get these mushrooms cooked. Now these are button mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushroom. You can use cremini, you can use button, you can use chanterelles, and you can use any mushrooms that you like. You can use. Now you know what's going to happen with these mushrooms now, right? These mushrooms are going to throw a lot of water out now, but since we're going to put it like really high, it's going to dry it up, and we're going to get the consistency that we're looking for. Just give it a few minutes. All the water that comes out of the mushroom, it's going to evaporate, and we're going to get that mushroom look that we need. See all the water that's coming out of the mushroom? Eventually that's all evaporate, and you're going to get that mushroom, nice mushroom that you see in marsala sauce all the time. Gotta mention too, I have some beef stock over here. If you like it, if you want to use chicken stock, you can use chicken stock. I like to use beef stock when I make the marsala. It gives it more of a color. The taste is also pleasant when it comes to marsala. Okay. I wish you could just smell this garlic in here now. I mean, it's only a couple of pieces. I'm going to remove them now. I'm going to remove these 2 pieces of garlic. See how nice and brown they are, nice and toasty they are? That's all you need. You really don't need to put too much garlic in there when you're making marsala, guys. But hey, if you like the marsala with the garlic, go right ahead, chop it up and throw it in there. Hey, have a ball, have a party. I just don't think you need that much garlic in the marsala. Okay, so here you are. See, it's one. Oops, one. Where's the other one? I know you're in here. There you are. There's 2. Okay, now it's drying up. The mushroom is drying up nice. And what comes after this? Well, the start of the show, which is marsala. Any kind of marsala that you want. You can buy. I buy this. This is pretty good. It's awfully cheap. It's about $9 in a bottle. It's got a nice taste. It's not too light, it's not too dark. That's what I like about it. And I've used it many times. It's really nice. It's really good. Perfect. Now comes the marsala. Marsala. We put marsala on a hot skillet. Move it away, even though we don't have a flame there. But you know what? I don't trust it. Yeah. Let's say about a half a cup of marsala wine. That's all you need. Some people like putting lemon in it. My wife likes the lemon. Guess what? I didn't get the lemon. The lemon's upstairs. You want to put some lemon in here?
Yeah.
You want some lemon?
Sure.
Well, if you want some lemon, then you're going to have to go get the lemon. It's in there, but you put a little bit of lemon in there. I usually put a little bit in it. Just a little bit of lemon. Not too much. That's good. Now, as you see, we need more juice. But this is not the consistency we're looking for. We're looking for a thick consistency. So what we do is we get a little bit of flour. Okay, put it inside here. A little bit of that chicken stock, that beef stock over here. And with a fork, turn it into like a batter. And you throw it right in here, right inside the marsala. That's gonna thicken it up really fast. See how fast it thickens it up? Now we taste it. We'll turn it down a little bit because it's making it too fast. a little bit of salt. Black pepper. Let's give it a taste. Let's see how this tastes, the sauces. Yeah, taste is nice. But if you don't watch what you're doing, sometimes that lemon kind of overpowers the marsala. Marsala sauce, we'll put it on the side. Now we're going to fry a little bit of that scallopini. Get the chicken on the side over here. We're gonna do 2 and 2 right now. 2 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. This is the Milanese. I'm going to overcook this one now. And with this, just get some of that sauce and put it right on it, the Milanese. And this is chicken masala Milanese style. First, I want to make it look pretty. A little bit of parsley on it. And that's the Milanese masala. This one is the scallopini marsala, the original one. Okay, see that nice golden brown right there? That's what we're looking for. That, when you put in the sauce, you put it together. Turn down the fire a little bit. Always put enough beef sauce in there. And this is basically the chicken marsala. It's just like the other one is over here. Now you have a choice. If you like the scallopini Milanese with that same marsala sauce, you can just make it this way. Just gotta fry it, gotta break the chicken. Or this is the original way of making the marsala. You cook it up inside the sauce until it becomes really soft. And we're gonna plate that one up too. And we got the chicken marsala. Remember, you can use veal marsala, you can use pork if you like. Make it the same way, both ways. Milanese or original style. It all depends what you like. I'll show you how to do them both ways. You can use the veal, you can use the pork, or just with the chicken. This is done. We'll shut this off. I'm going to put the chicken now right in here. 1, 2, and just throw this beautiful sauce right on it. See? This is the beautiful marsala sauce. And on top of that, put a little more of this one right here. And that's the original chicken marsala. Chicken marsala, the original scallopini chicken marsala. And this is the chicken marsala Milanese. They both look amazing. They both look. I'm going to give it a shot first. I'm going to give a taste to the Milanese first with the sauce. Let's see. Nice. Very nice. If you like it breaded, if you like a Milanese, this is really good. And now we're going to taste the original. The original marsala. Looks good. A couple of mushrooms. My wife is crazy for mushrooms. This morning she said, I feel like eating mushrooms today. So I said, all right, let's make a marsala. Okay, so, mushroom for white. Wow. You know, if I gotta choose, I wouldn't be able. I love them both. I love them both. So, give it a try this way. I guarantee, I promise you, you're gonna love this. So, yeah, that's it. This is Pasta Fazool. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.